Oh my god, my dog is actually like my baby. If anyone tried to barbecue my dog, I'd actually kill them.
When you see a dog on a split, you feel a bit uncomfortable, but if you eat chicken and stuff, what's the difference, you know?
Oh man, the idea of barbecuing a dog is so nasty, it's sick. Look, just look at it. I'm not sure I'm going to look at bacon the same way.
It's easy to point the finger to the cultures and say, oh, they're so cruel, they eat dog, but we eat all sorts of other animals.
I was talking to these people, and you can actually buy meat that's not made from animals, so I'm going to try it.